Bring her home.
Thank God. Finally some equipment I can work with.
What up, boy?
It's way better than that trash in Rio.
Way better.
You sure about these guys?
Nope.
Has anybody heard from Leo or Santos?
Yeah, last time anyone saw them, they were hitting up the casinos in Monte Carlo.
I thought that was our last job, Brian. And who's paying for all this equipment? The taxpayers? So now we work for the Hawk? That's what we doing? Why do I smell baby oil?
You keep running your pie hole, you're gonna smell an ass kicking.
All right, Hobbs. You got the best crew in the world standing right in front of you. Give them a reason to stay.
Our target's Owen Shaw. Former major in the SAS, Spec Ops soldier. He ran the UK's mobility division in Kabul and Basra.
Oh, damn. That mobility unit's the truth. We talking vehicular warfare. Best in the world. Those guys don't mess around.
For years, they've been running jobs in Europe, but it's our most recent jobs that graduated them to a whole new level. 3 targets, highly specific. The program terminal from an ICBM missile and the poison-filled computer virus from an NSA black lab.
You a millionaire? You still trying to ask for money?
That's how you stay a millionaire. It's crazy.
So what does this all mean?
Well, our best guess is that Shaw's crew is building a nightshade device.
Which is? A tech bomb designed to block an entire military communication grid for 24 hours.
Blind a soldier for a single second in the middle of a fight, and he dies. You blind a country for 24 hours. The loss of life is unthinkable. This could be worth billions to the right buyer.
Billions? Why don't we just steal that shit?
Hey, man. Which one of these things is $1? He said something about...
It's on the house. I want you to help me catch Shaw. He's only got one piece left that he needs, and I intend to stop him before he gets it. Now, I know you guys are a family, so I'm offering you a chance right now to make that family whole again.
You want to make this family whole again? Get us to Letty. We'll get you Shaw. Full pardons all the way around.
I can't promise you that.
Yes, you can.
That's the deal. Take it or leave it.
You get me Shaw, and I'll get your pardons.
You heard him. But this is different. We're not dealing with cops. We're not dealing with drug dealers. It's a whole different level.
We getting paid, right?